Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure family health plans with UnitedHealthcare step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the UnitedHealthcare website. Navigate to the Family Health Plans section. Select the plan type that best fits your family's needs. Review the plan details and coverage options available. Click on the Get a Quote button to see pricing. Enter your family's information, including the number of members and ages. Provide your zip code for location-specific options. Review the display of available plans based on your input. Select a plan that meets your criteria. Click on Enroll Now to begin the enrollment process. Fill out the necessary personal information for each family member. Input any pre-existing conditions or medical history if asked. Choose any additional coverage options as necessary. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Submit your application for processing. After submission, you will receive a confirmation email. Log into your account using the credentials created during enrollment. Check your application status and any required follow-up actions. Once approved, review your policy documents in your account. Be sure to understand your benefits and how to access care. Consider setting reminders for important health plan dates, like premium payments. Reach out to customer service if you have any questions or need further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.